everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to speak English like a native speaker. So you must watch this video till the end because in this video, I will entirely discuss about it. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. Guys, here firstly, I would like to tell you or give you few easy points which will really help you too much to improve your English speaking like a native speaker from the beginning level, from the initial stage. Well, so without wasting time, let's begin the video and let's know what are those tips that I am going to tell about. Well, so let's see. So tip number one, you can say point number one is that if you are a beginner, then you should try to speak English like a native speaker, because I know you don't know how to speak English, as well as you don't know how to use any word of English used. Well, that is why I'm emphasizing on to speak and like a native speaker. Well, guys, why am I emphasizing on to speak like a native speaker? Because I think this is too much good if a person is beginner. That is why I also tried to speak English like a native speaker when I was beginner, when I was trying to speak English, when I was in my initial stage, initial phase. That is why I am emphasizing on this point, on this tip, you can see. Well, so if you will try to speak English like a native speaker from the beginning stage, from the initial stage, so you will definitely capable to speak English from the beginning level. Yes, this is 100% right. But you have to work on this point regular. After that, you will capable to speak English very well from the beginning level. Yes. So I think you have understood about how to speak English like a native speaker from the beginning level. Well, so I think you have understood about my first point. So second point is that if you are beginner, then you should try to speak idioms and phrases words. Well, guys, why am I emphasizing to speak idioms and phrases words? Because if you are beginner, if you are in your initial stage, initial time, so you should try to speak idioms words, phrases words, because I think these phrases and idioms words are easy to speak English from the beginning level. That is why I'm emphasizing to speak idioms and phrases words. Let's see how to speak idioms words. So let's see. For example, कहना आसान होता है लेकिन करना कठिन होता है. It is easy to say but difficult to do. Well, and second example is नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. A bad workman blames his tools. And third example is कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. And fourth example is कुछ ना करने से अच्छा है कुछ करो. Means something is better than nothing. Guys, I know it's very easy how to express and how to speak idioms words. Okay, I hope you have understood about how to express idioms words for with examples very well. Well, and third point is that if you are beginner, if you are in your initial stage, then you should try to listen to native speakers English as much as possible. Why am I emphasizing on this? Actually, this has a lot of power and this can improve your English speaking from the initial stage, because as you already know about listening, English listening. So listening has a lot of power. Listening can improve if you don't have any native speaker, so it's okay. Well, so you should only try to speak English like a native speaker yourself. So I think this is too much good for you all if you don't have any native speaker. Well, so if you do this regular, so your English will become good from the beginning stage and you will speak English and you will capable to speak English very well from the beginning level, from the beginning stage. That is why I am emphasizing on this point too much. Well, I hope you have understood about how to listen. Well, and the fourth point is that look at the mouth. Why am I emphasizing on look at the mouth? Well, guys, if you are beginner, then you should look at your native speaker's mouth as much as possible. Why am I emphasizing on this? Actually, if your native English speaker is speaking, well, at that time, you should look at your native speaker's mouth with concentration, with attention, means carefully. Because if you will look, if you will look with attention, attentively, so you will capable to listen and you will capable to understand and how is native speaker speaking and what is native speaker speaking. That is why you have to imitate how is native speaker speaking and what is native speaker speaking. Well, so guys, I think you must try to focus on 4 points regular. So your English will automatically improve and you will capable to speak English very well or good from the beginning stage, from the beginning level. That is why I am emphasizing on 4 points very well. It means that too much. I explained about 4 points very well, and your work is to do work. And after that, you will feel comfortable while speaking English from the initial stage. You will not say, I'm unable to speak English from the beginning level. No. You will have to work on these 4 points regular. Well, so I think these points are very unique or very wonderful for you all, and these 4 points will really help you too much to improve your English speaking from the beginning stage. If you don't have native speaker, so you become yourself native speaker. Well, so you should try to play two types of roles yourself. First role is that speaking and second role is that listening. It means that first you speak hi, hello, and second is answering. Mean first you become to ask question and second person is become to reply, to give answer. Well, so I hope you have understood about it very well. I suggest you and recommend you must follow these 4 points regular. 4 points are very unique. Well, so that is why I'm emphasizing on these 4 points. If you have understood about my these points very well, so you don't forget to like, share, subscribe and do comment me what have you learned from this video. Well, thanks for watching my video.